When an executor is appointed by letters testamentary in North Carolina, it's important that they don't become isolated and on an island and kind of doing their own thing without letting anybody know what's going on. If the executor is represented by an attorney, then it's really important to have a meaningful and ongoing line of communication between the executor and their probate attorney. And that's largely because there's going to be ongoing advice and strategy and requests that will need to be fulfilled. Requests for documentation like bank statements or invoices or receipts of things that have been paid, certainly reimbursements if the executor feels entitled to those, but also to make sure that we're complying with paperwork submissions and pleading submissions to the court in a timely manner. The other is going to be executor to beneficiary communication. We want to make sure that executors are being transparent with beneficiaries as to the status of filings and produce publicly available documents when appropriate. Beneficiaries generally are not allowed to or should reach out directly to probate attorneys because they're not their client, but the executor should be the liaison as to what the status of the matter is, expected timeline for completion, and certainly any interaction or documents need to be produced by beneficiaries themselves to make sure that everybody's on the same page and all deadlines are being complied with.